Today's video is a DIY FYI about dovetails. So if you're a beginner woodworker, dovetails and laying dovetails out and cutting them, well, it can be very challenging to somebody that's new to woodworking. And there are a lot of things that are out there to help you make the job go, well, a lot easier. And one of those things is a tool called a dovetail marker. That's what we have here. Now, there are a lot of ways to mark dovetails, but I like to use a marker. Now, this is where it can get a little confusing. So our dovetail marker here, it says 1/6. And what does that mean? And I gotta tell you this is one of those little secrets that no one ever tells new woodworkers. And if you're doing dovetails, this is something you should know. Okay, so what it means is this. It's 1 unit of horizontal and 6 units of vertical. So in our case, we're going to just do like this. We're going to just, for visuals, we're going to say it's a unit is an inch. And so I'm going to mark an inch right there, okay? That's our inch. Now we know that we need to go up 6 inches of vertical because our marker is a 1/6. So I've got my horizontal unit marked here, and I have my vertical unit marked here, and I'm going to take my ruler and I'm just going to connect my marks. And I'm going to strike my line. And there we have a slope that's a 1/6 ratio. And that's what it means when you see a dovetail marker that's marked 1/6. If it was 1/8, of course, it would be 1 unit of measurement horizontal and then 8 units of vertical. Your next question is probably this. When do you use a 1/6 or a 1/8? A dovetail marker determines the sharpness of the slope. So there's a lot of different trains of thought here. Some people believe that, well, a 1/6 would be good for softwood, all right? Some people believe that a 1/8 is best for hardwood. And then we get into, well, aesthetics. We get into what looks good. There are a lot of woodworkers out there that believe the more severe the slope, the more holding power that joint is going to have, especially if you've got a drawer and you're tugging on that drawer. You're pulling on that drawer, it's putting stress on the joint, so you'll want a severe slope. But if it's just for aesthetic purposes, because, you know, dovetails look really nice on boxes, right? It doesn't have to be that severe of a slope. It can be a lot less because, again, it's not serving a purpose other than aesthetics. This is Leah saying you can do this. See you next time.